Everyone thought AI would demolish Google search. Instead, Google has reported its strongest quarter ever, and the numbers are demonstrating a thumping presence. The Gemini app has now crossed 750 million monthly users. AI overviews, 2 billion users. Alphabet's Q1 2026 earnings are in, and the headline is, AI is now driving every part of Google's business. Revenue is at $109.9 billion, up 22% year on year. Search revenue, $60.4 billion, up 19%. Cloud is at $20 billion, which is up 63%. And backing all of this is Gemini. Gemini is now a consumer app with 750 million users, a search layer which has 2 billion users via AI overviews, an enterprise engine which is 40% quarter-on-quarter growth in paid users, a developer backbone which has 16 billion tokens per minute. And this is what Sundar Pichai meant when he said, "Our AI investments and full stack approach are driving performance across the business," end quote. And this is where it gets interesting. For months, the general conversation was AI will cannibalize search, but the data says the right opposite. Search queries are at an all-time high. AI overviews are driving more usage, not less. And Google has even, reduced latency by 35%, cut AI response costs by 30%. So instead of actually demolishing search, AI is expanding it. So one tends to, of course, think, what's actually powering this? Google controls the entire stack: custom TPUs, NVIDIA GPUs, cloud infrastructure, Gemini models, and the consumer apps. And that's why cloud backlog has hit $460 plus billion. AI revenue on cloud grew 800% year on year. And this is where the story changes course. To sustain this growth, Google is going all in. Capex for 2026 is $180 to $190 billion and expected to increase further in 2027. At the same time, Pichai admits they are compute constrained, meaning demand is already ahead of supply. The second big shift, agents. Google is building agentic workflows in search enterprise agent platforms. AI-powered commerce, over 330 customers, processed 1 trillion tokens each. 35 crossed, 10 trillion tokens while enterprise grows. The consumer scale, as you can see, is exploding. 350 million paid subscriptions driven by Gemini, YouTube, Google One. Waymo, 500K autonomous rides per week. Everything is now connected to AI. And here, of course, is the front page take. I'd like to simplify this. Google just proved 3 things. AI is not killing search, it's amplifying it. Distribution matters more than model hype. And then finally, owning the full stack is actually the real edge. But also, this entire AI boom is now capital intensive, compute constrained, and getting very expensive. What are your thoughts as far as this entire flow goes? Please do let us know in the comments below. Is Google now the most underrated AI winner? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.